Hi everyone, today I'm excited to talk about Codecademy. It's an amazing AI tool designed for debugging code. Let's explore how we can utilize this tool by writing a simple PowerShell script and observing the debugging process with Codecademy. Let's dive in. I'll write a simple PowerShell script to check the status of WinRM service on my system. Okay, you can take any service. Okay, I'll go for WinRM service. If it's already in the running state, we will print it's already running. Else, this script should start the service. Okay, so we'll just write get hyphen service. Service name is WinRM. Okay, WinRM. I'll take this into one variable. Just give SRV. You can give any variable name. Then I'll write if condition. If this SRV, so this result, right? This service result, whether it is a running or stop, it is getting stored into this variable, right? So we use this variable into if condition. If this variable equal to, we'll use this operator, equal operator, running. Okay. Then close the bracket, open the bracket. Okay, open the curly bracket, and we can write here using the right hyphen host, or we can use right hyphen output. Okay, it's up to you. So WinRM is already in running state. Okay, let me close this bracket. Okay, this is the condition if service is in running state, right? What we'll write? Then we'll use else. Okay, if service is in stop state, so we'll use else. Let's write this condition. Get start service. Okay, name WinRM. Okay, so if service is in running state, this will print WinRM is already in running state. Else start service. Then we'll just print after starting the service. Just will print WinRM was in a stop state, and now it's started, right? Okay, let me close this curly bracket. We are done. Okay, let me check the current status of WinRM service. Just will get service WinRM. Okay, now it is running state, right? Fine. Let me stop this. Okay, now it is in stop state. Okay, now I'll run the script. So what is the outcome what is the output we are expecting? Now service is in stop state, right? So this condition should work. Okay, this should start the service and print the output. Okay, WinRM was in stop state and now it's started. Let me run the script. Okay, I'll just use clear hyphen host to clear the console. Let me run again. Okay, WinRM was in stop state and now it is started. Okay. We'll give some color just to highlight the output. Here also we'll add. Okay, it's a foreground color. We'll use hyphen F. Okay, we'll give any color. So let me run this again. WinRM was in stop state. Now it is started. Okay. So now what is the status? Get hyphen service is a running state, right? So when we run the script now, what we are expecting? It should print the first output, the first condition, right? WinRM is already in running state, right? Let me run this again. See, here we are getting WinRM was in stop state and now it is started. We are still getting this output. So it's wrong, right? Something wrong in the script. Okay. So in this case, we are consistently obtaining the same result despite the service being in running state, right? Indicating a problem in our code. To troubleshoot, we'll utilize Codecademy platform for debugging. Okay, this is an AI tool. We have different options for debugging. Okay, even PowerShell itself, we have debug option. But to make more simple, we'll use this AI tool. Let me copy the URL for Codecademy. Okay, so I'll paste this into my browser. Okay. Initially, it is asking which language you are trying: JavaScript, Python, C, C++, other. Okay, we have to use the PowerShell, right? So we'll go for other. It is asking for extension. We'll give PS1. PS1 is the extension for PowerShell. Yeah. So if you're using this initially, it will ask you for sign up. You can sign up using your Google account, or you can use your Git account. So we'll copy this and paste here. Then click on start solving it. Okay. It is asking me for sign in. Let me sign in. I have signed in. Now I'll select the option here in the left pane. It's AI problem solver, right? Okay, let me click on that. Now I'll go for other and type PS1. Let me start. Okay, I'll copy the content. Okay, I'll just copy the content here and click on start solving it. See, it is clearly explaining it. It looks like you are working with PowerShell. I notice small issues in your code. Okay, the condition $SRV equal to running, it's comparing the service object to a string which might not give you expected result. You should check the status property of the service object instead. Okay, what's the difference here? You can see it is added SRV.status, right? I will explain that. See, so the entire result, let me run the get hyphen service WinRM. So we'll get hyphen service. Okay, so here we need to take only running, right? What's the property of running? Status. We need to look only this property, status property. Okay, instead we have taken entire these things to compare. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll use dot status here. Okay, you can just correct it here, or if you want to just copy paste from here, you can do that. You are good to copy paste from here as well. So I'll just correct it here and run the script again. So what is the output we are expecting now? We are expecting, currently it is a running state, right? So we are expecting this result. Let us run this. See, WinRM is already in running state. Okay. After applying the suggested changes, we are now achieving the correct output, right? There are numerous options available in this tool. Please take some time to explore them from your end. Okay. Now what we'll do, we'll type the same requirement in Gemini. Okay. We'll ask to Gemini for the same requirement and see whether we'll get the code or not. Gemini, you know, right? To generate the code and convert the code. And there are many options. Okay. Gemini before it was Bard, now it is Gemini, right? So it's a Google AI tool again, right? So what we'll do, we'll ask to Gemini for the same requirement, this requirement, right? Okay, let me copy the URL. Okay, I will add this URL in the description. You can use that. Let me paste here. Fine. So what I will type, I need PowerShell script to check the WinRM status and start this service if it is in stop state. Okay, let me enter. It is fetching the code. It is a generating code for us. Let's see. Okay. So you can see here, right? This code is generated. Okay. It's slightly different what we wrote and this code. Okay. See, this is the status. I mean, the variable stored in service status. So here we used just SRV. Here it's a service status, right? So first condition, service status equal to stopped. What we used? We used equal to running. Okay. We can use that option as well. Only slight different, but output will be same. Let me run this and see whether we are getting the same output or not. I'll open another tab. Paste here. Let me. Okay. I'll add clear host just to clear the console. Yeah. Let me run the script. See, WinRM services is already running state, right? We are getting the same result. Now what we can do, we can try to convert this into Python. Okay. So we'll just simply type convert this into, you can try in any language. Okay. We'll try Python here. It is converting now. Let's wait. So here it is converted, right? Now it is in Python. Okay. So you can try this and you can try in your system. Okay. So I recommend don't just copy the code from the AI tools, okay, and don't run in your production environment. Before that, just test somewhere or consult with the people who are good into scripting, okay. And I always suggest you just make some idea, I mean some basic understanding of the script, okay. At least looking at the script, you should understand, right, what this script does, okay, and it make any impact in the production environment, right? Okay. If you are interested in mastering PowerShell from basic to advanced, be sure to check out my PowerShell 0 to Hero playlist. You can find the playlist link in the description below. Okay. Thank you for watching. We'll see you soon again. Thank you.